If you have few brown bananas sitting on your counter and you're thinking about throwing them away, don't. Turn them into the most moist chocolate banana muffins you will ever make. They are incredibly soft, packed with banana flavor, loaded with chocolate chips, and made with simple pantry ingredients. Let's get started. I'm using 3 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your muffins will be. Mash them using a fork until they are nice and smooth. Now add half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 room temperature egg, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of room temperature sour cream, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. Next add 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Give it another quick mix. Now it's time for the flour. Add 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Fold it into the batter until you don't see any dry flour left. Be careful not to overmix. This is one of the secret to soft, tender muffin. Finally, fold in 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, just enough to evenly distribute them throughout the batter. Line a muffin tray with paper liners and fill each one about 3/4 full. Sprinkle a few extra chocolate chips on top. They not only make the muffins look beautiful but also gives those delicious pockets of melted chocolate in every bite. Bake the muffins at 425 °F for the first 5 minutes, then reduce the oven temperature to 375 °F and continue baking for another 15 minutes. Starting at a high temperature gives the muffin that beautiful bakery style rise. Once they are out of the oven, let them cool on a wire rack for few minutes. These muffins are unbelievably moist, perfectly fluffy, and loaded with rich chocolate in every bite. It's honestly one of those recipes you will find yourself making again and again. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.